This is Chigo, guys. Actually a high school friend of mine's. This is his turbo. What is this? Actually, let me stop talking. Take over, Chigo.
Well, as you can see, it's a D16 Z6 out of a Civic EX hatchback, or whatever. It's fully built it in my garage. It's got a Speed Factory no-notch rods, Vitara pistons, Crowder Stage 2 turbo cam, Brian Crowder valve springs, retainers, and port and polish by me. It's on 20 psi on Honda S300. It's running all right now. I need to get it retuned on the E85 and see if we can make some more power out of it. It's on the eBay turbo. Got it all fabbed up by Matthew Penguin. Show him the welds.
Oh, that's Matt?
Yeah. It's on
Bueno built, guys.
1000cc RC injectors. Let's see what else. AM fuel rail. Custom welds from Matthew again. He did all the welding on this thing.
Matthew,
Oh yeah, hit him up.
you're a god.
Hit him up.
You're a god. And you're about to, and we're in Mexico right now, right?
Yep.
We just filled up, put this baby up with some 93 or 91. We're currently in the outskirts of Chihuahua, and we are gonna go take her for a spin, baby.
Yep.
Let's do it, man. Oh. Guys, it's nighttime, so it's gonna be a little grainy. I apologize. I love this car. I fucking love it. This thing is so sweet, dude. Just listen to that fucking spool, bro. Oh my god. I'm not trying to... What do you think this thing's pushing, man?
Probably 300. Something like that.
300 horsepower?
Probably. Single cam, you gotta remember that.
It's pretty fast, dude. For 300 horsepower. Ooh, shit. Oh my god. Thing sucks you in your seat, man. Turbo Honda, baby. Converted to what?
The rear was drum. We just converted it to disc brakes in the rear.
Oh my god. I love the way it sounds, dude. Like just hearing it. Even at like just normal cruising conditions, you can hear that shit so well. And I love it. It sounds amazing.
You can kind of hear the cam a little bit.
God, I hope the camera's picking that up, dude. This shit sounds good. Damn, 300 horsepower and this shit flies like that, bro. That's crazy. Oh, fuck. Chigo, thank you for the ride, bro. I appreciate it. So, when are you gonna go to Humble?
Not sure. Hopefully sometime soon. In a couple months or so.
Well, dude, thank you, brother. I appreciate it, man.
No problem, brother.
Brother, it's Modelo time. Modelo time. Okay, go open one, dog. Give me one too, bro. My dog. All right, guys. Let's conclude the video, man. The 500 horsepower single cam to be continued, boys.
Hopefully.
My man.